और अभी ऑप्शंस नहीं है बाहर जाने का, वी डोंट हैव ऑप्शंस, तो क्यों ना हम घर पे ही कुछ ऑप्शंस ट्राई करें जिससे we will all get good skin, right? So today we will learn how to do facials. और हमारे साथ हैं शिवानी, he is a skin expert and having 7 years of experience. और आज वो बताएंगे कि how to do facial और facial के जो भी steps हैं और why, क्यों चाहिए, क्यों facial के steps, every step is important, और क्या करना है, क्या use करना है, how to use everything she will tell you. So hope आप लोग सब enjoy करोगे और खोगे बहुत कुछ नया. And if you have any questions तो chat box में you can put, we will take after that. Okay, after the finishing this process we will take all the questions जो थोड़े है answers, और ज्यादा है अगर कुछ major issue है तो जो जिसने invite किया है she will help you in that. Okay, so let's start. Shivani, are you there? So please welcome Shivani. Hello Shivani.
Hi Sunanda, thank you for the lovely introduction. So, hi all. Hi all. Am I audible, Sunanda?
Yes, Shivani, आ रही है, आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल क्लियर है.
So, welcome to all of you. So, आज हम क्या करेंगे, जैसे सबको पता है ना, फेस्टिवल सीजन आ गए, दशहरा गया, करवा चौथ आने वाला है, then दिवाली, it's like what we call festive season. So, सबका मन करता है look beautiful, एक रिचुअल्स भी है जैसे कि चलो बाहर जाते सजते संवरते फेस, और उससे एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है फेशियल. But due to the current situation, we are not able to do that things. Even if the parlors are open, but you cannot think to go for a facial to parlor because no touching, 6 feet distance cannot maintain at parlor. So here we are. So today I'm going to teach you or tell you some simple steps of home facial that to be very quick, क्योंकि mainly facial का एक और एक भी problem हमारे साथ रहता है, सिचुएशन ठीक था कि हम कैसे मतलब टाइम निकालना जाना, इट्स ए टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है. बट आज मैं आप लोग को कुछ ऐसा बताऊंगी जिससे कि हम बहुत इजीली और कम टाइम पे अपने whatever we require for our skin, जो हमें चाहिए वो हम पा सकते हैं और ये कर सकते हैं. और ठीक है, तो इससे पहले मैं कुछ इंटरेक्शन सेशंस करना मतलब क्वेश्चन आंसर पूछना चाहती हूँ. सो इट विल बी गुड अगर आप लोग भी खुद पार्टिसिपेट करें. तो हम फेशियल क्यों करते हैं, मुझे कोई बताएगा? व्हाई फेशियल इज रिक्वायर्ड? एनीबॉडी फ्रॉम द पार्टिसिपेंट और एनीवन?
हाय, माय नेम इज लवीना. हम फेशियल इसलिए करते हैं कि 35 के बाद या व्हाटएवर 30 डिपेंडिंग आप क्या प्रोफेशन में हो. अब तो बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, वैसे बाहर जाते हैं पोल्यूशन के लिए, और 35 के बाद बोलते हैं यू नो योर स्किन स्टार्ट सैगिंग एंड पोर्स बहुत जल्दी जल्दी खुलते हैं. तो यू नो टू मेंटेन योर चीक बोन, जैसे हमारी बॉडी को चाहिए होता है वैसे हमारे फेस को भी यू नो हमेशा अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए.
या यू करेक्ट. सो दिस इज राइट. तो बेसिकली हम आप ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि हमारे स्किन हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए फेशियल चाहिए होता है. बट यहाँ पे मोस्टली फेशियल के साथ एक चीज होता है कि हम उसे ऑकेजनली करते हैं. I'm not saying everyone is doing, but mostly major people think facial is a occasional things. जैसे कि फेस्टिव सीजन आ गया हम फेशियल करेंगे, कोई मैरिज पार्टी है, अपनी शादी है तो वी गो फॉर फेशियल. बट मैं यहाँ पे क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ कि फेशियल हमारी स्किन केयर का एक एसेंशियल पार्ट है. जैसे हमारा डेली स्किन केयर पार्ट रहता है ना, हम डेली करते हैं स्किन हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए, स्किन को ब्यूटीफुल रखने के लिए, व्हाटएवर वी डू आवर डेली स्किन केयर, फेशियल भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. और हमारे स्किन केयर के लैंग्वेज में हम उसे स्पेशल केयर बोलते हैं, या वीकली केयर और मंथली केयर, डिपेंड्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स यू आर आस्किंग फॉर. बट ये इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट है. क्यों? अब हमें हाफी से ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना, अगर हमारा स्किन एक वेहिकल है तो फेशियल इज लाइक ए ऑयलिंग टू दैट पार्ट. हम अगर ऑयलिंग ना करें, गाड़ी को जितना भी ऊपर से क्लीन करें, एक दिन जंग लग जाएगा. जैसे ऑलरेडी सिमरन ने या किसी ने बताया, सेम थिंग. तो हमारे स्किन के स्पेशल केयर के लिए हम फेशियल करते हैं. तो क्या तो आज मैं बताती हूँ कि चलो तो क्या, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट हाउ व्हाट अ फेशियल. तो फेशियल के नॉर्मली 3 मेजर पार्ट रहते हैं. यस एडवांस लेवल में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट्स भी रहते हैं, बट यहाँ पे आज हम जैसे खून फेशियल की बात कर रहे हैं तो 3 मेजर पार्ट रहता है. फर्स्ट इज एक्सफोलिएशन, जिसे कि हम जनरल लैंग्वेज में स्क्रब बोलते हैं. देन सेकंड इज रिजुनोवेशन, जिसे हम लोग मसाज बोलते हैं, स्किन मसाज. द थर्ड वाज इज हाइड्रेटिंग और लॉकिंग द मॉइस्चर और व्हाटएवर टेम्पर यू हैव डन टू योर स्किन बाय एक्सफोलिएटिंग एंड मसाजिंग. उसको हम जो लॉक करते हैं उसको हम लोग मास्क पार्ट बोलते हैं. तो आज हम ये 3 पार्ट कवर करेंगे. बेसिकली यही 3 पार्ट कवर किया जाता है अंटिल और स्किन हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए, अंटिल अनलेस आपको कोई मेजर इश्यूज स्किन के नहीं है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट हाउ टू डू. सुनिंदा, मैं वन मोर कैमरा ऑन कर रही हूँ सो दैट द स्टेप्स विल बी मोर विजिबल. ओके
ओके श्योर.
या सो इज इट क्लियर द सेकंड पार्ट वाज?
Yes, Shivani, absolutely clear.
So the first thing is that सबसे पहला चीज तो है कि आप अपने जब हम फेशियल की बात करेंगे तो सारी एसेसरीज जो है सब निकालेंगे. पहले सबसे देन एक नैपकिन और व्हाटएवर यू हैव विथ योर ए टॉवल और ए स्मॉल नैपकिन. देन कवर योर ड्रेस पार्ट सो दैट कि ये ऑलरेडी पार्लर्स में भी यूज होता है तो हम घर पे अपने कंफर्ट लेवल से कर सकते हैं. देन द सेकंड थिंग, so maybe देखिए मास्क अगर आपके पास ये हेयर बैंड नहीं है तो आप हेयर बैंड्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं जस्ट टू कि बाल बीच में ना आए. बाल बीच में ना आए, थोड़ा हाइजीन पार्ट मेंटेन करो. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप है क्लींजिंग. अगर आप कोई मेकअप में है या कुछ है तो फर्स्ट व्हाटएवर जो आपके पास है, कोई क्लींजर हो या कुछ भी, जैसे फेस वॉश आप यूज करते तो क्लींज कीजिए. मैंने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है सो मैं वो पार्ट स्किप करती हूँ. एक क्लीन फेस पे ही हम फेशियल कर सकते हैं. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज जो मैंने बोला एक्सफोलिएशन, और एक्सफोलिएशन के लिए या स्क्रब. तो मैं यूज कर रही हूँ आर्टिस्ट्री के प्रोडक्ट जो मैं रिकमेंडेड करती हूँ, अपने भी यूज करती हूँ. मैं अपने सारे आई हैड क्लाइंट ऑल अक्रॉस द ग्लोब और मैं वो सबको यही प्रोडक्ट यूज करती हूँ, रिकमेंडेड करती हूँ. दे आर यूजिंग ऑल्सो एंड आर गेटिंग बेनिफिट ऑल्सो, जो मेरी बाद में आपको रिजल्ट दिखाएंगे. द रीजन आई यूज आर्टिस्ट्री बिकॉज आई हैव ट्रस्ट ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज ये इंडिया का नहीं वर्ल्ड का ही नंबर 1 प्रोडक्ट है प्रीमियम कैटेगरी में. और ये सबसे मेजर प्लस पॉइंट है ना, हमारे इंडिया में एक चलता रहता है कि हर्बल प्रोडक्ट यूज करे या कोई चाहता है एडवांस यूज करे. तो ये एक गुड मतलब नेचर और टेक्नोलॉजी का बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन है. डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट क्लियर है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो फर्स्ट इज स्क्रबिंग. आर्टिस्ट्री ने जो स्क्रब है इसमें क्या है?
Excuse me. Excuse me, can you write the product name in the chat box so that I can see?
Yeah. We will do that. Once we finish it, we will do it. Okay. So Artistry Essential Scrub. इसमें एक हीरो इंग्रेडिएंट है जो मैंने बोला ना, ये नेचर और टेक्नोलॉजी दोनों की कॉम्बिनेशन है. तो इसका हीरो इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है? जोजोबा बिट्स. ये जोजोबा बिट्स जो है उसका प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि स्क्रबिंग क्या होता है, वी यूज स्क्रब्स ताकि हमारी स्किन के जो डेड सेल्स है ना, हमारी स्किन के ऊपर जो ऊपर वाला लेयर है वो डर्मिस लेयर में जो डेड सेल्स रहते हैं या व्हाटएवर पोल्यूशन है देयर, वो क्लीन अप हो जाता है हम जब फेस वॉश यूज करते हैं, क्लींज यूज करते हैं. बट मेन प्रॉब्लम है डर्मिस लेयर के नीचे लेयर, वहां पे जो डेड सेल्स रहते हैं वो क्लींजिंग से बस क्लींजिंग से नहीं क्लीन हो. इसलिए हमें स्किन के एक्सफोलिएशन चाहिए. और पोर्स में जो चीज स्टक है, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, क्या पोर्स में जैसे हमारी स्किन पे पोर्स होते हैं तो कैसी स्किन का स्ट्रक्चर होता है, एक स्पॉन्ज जैसे, उसके अंदर में जब जो डर्ट्स चले जाते हैं उसको क्लीन करने के लिए हमें स्क्रबिंग चाहिए होता है और स्किन एक्सफोलिएशन चाहिए होता है, ताकि जो डेड सेल्स के लेयर्स रह के हमारे स्किन की जो अनइवन स्किन टोन आ जाते हैं या स्किन में कोई लैक ऑफ ग्लू रहता है वो निकले. जब डेड सेल निकलेगा तो न्यू जो सेल्स बनते हैं, एक प्रोसेस है, न्यू हमारे सेल्स, डेड सेल्स निकलते हैं, न्यू सेल्स आते हैं, उनके प्लेस लेते हैं, उनकी जगह जब रहते हैं तब हमारी स्किन का ग्लो आता है. तो स्क्रब हमें उसी लिए चाहिए ताकि हमारे इंटरनल डेड सेल्स जो है, जो पोर्स के अंदर जो गंदगी है, जो ऑयल एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल से पोल्यूशन है, उसके क्लीन के लिए. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बट इसके भी कुछ ट्रिक्स है जो बहुत इजी है। मैं आज आपको होम फेशियल के ट्रिक्स बता रही हूँ, तो ये बहुत ही इजी है, जस्ट आपको कुछ काउंट्स याद रखना। तो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू जस्ट हैव टू, ये बाउल में थोड़ा सा वाटर लेके एक स्पॉन्ज से अपने फेस को
Shibani,
Yeah.
please let us make a little mix, Hindi English mix. Few people don't know.
Okay. So the first thing you
Okay.
English is comfortable for all.
Mix कर सकते हो शिवानी.
Okay. So the first thing we have to do is take a clean water and a sponge or cotton dab, whatever you have with you handy, and just wipe your face. Just थोड़ा सा डैम्प करना है, बहुत ज्यादा गीला नहीं, not too much wet कि फिर वो स्क्रब मिक्स ही ना हो. Just to damp it out. Your face and the visible part of your neck. Even if you used to do, you can do the back side also. Nothing on that. Whatever part is visible of your face and neck, you can do that. Then this is the scrub. It is very mild, so that is the reason I love it. You can take a, like, not too much is required, a big pulse size or एक वही राजमा वाजमा का जैसे मटर की ये होते हैं ना, उसी साइज में अपने स्किन
Which brand of scrub it?
Yeah, you can use it. So as you see this, see, इसमें इसके जो beads है ना वो बहुत mild है. Mainly this major issues with scrub ये रहता है कि that models जो होते हैं that was too big कि वो face पे कभी-कभी harsh भी रहता है. Mostly whatever available in the market, I'm not saying all that, but mainly whatever available, so that it was too harsh for your face. But here you can see that in this it is very small. So let's start. You have to just apply this on 6 dots. Your forehead, nose, chin, then both the cheek and the neck part. So we'll start from down to up. So the first thing, when after applying, just take some water so that your hands will be slippery and you can move so fast. So for your neck part, remember you are doing the home facial, so we are not so professional that we will give that much pressure that a parlor person or a professional can give. So here are some tricks that you have to apply while doing scrubbing or massage, whatever on your neck part. We'll start from neck then to forehead. So whatever in the neck part, you have to use this 3 finger, your middle 3 finger. See, you have to start 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to cover your whole neck area in 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 to 32 counts for your neck. No need to give too much pressure. Your comfort level is all yours. You have to just, if your hand is not slippery, take some more water and you do. And when you are doing this with this artistic scrub, I don't know, I never use any other scrub. You can feel that small module are washing on your face and it's melting, and it is very easy. That's why I told you कि ये बहुत कम time में हो जाता है. Normally scrub mix नहीं होता है, and that is the reason it takes time. So, but here it mix very easily. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि how it is or what is, like how is you are using any scrub or anything. So after 32 strokes, it's over. Then again, if required, just wipe your hands with some water. Then this part, your chin to cheekbone area will go this time. Okay. Use your this 2 finger, your second 2 finger. Like this is scissor. So what we have to do? 1, 2, upward. 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do you know the best thing on this artistry facial kit? You can talk, jump, sing, whatever you want to do. They had tested, they have dermatology tested that nothing is going to happen. While you must, people who ever gone for facial, they must know that in parlors they told us to keep silent. While doing facial, you have to keep silent for half an hour, 45 minutes. But here, see, I am talking. I am doing it on myself and I am talking. Nothing is going to happen because it is very easy to do. So, But I do 8 stroke like this, then 8 stroke like this. But you have to just go upwards. Okay. Then the next part is your favorite area, the cheek. Okay. So same, forefinger, 8 to 16 stroke clockwise, then 8 to 16 stroke anti-clockwise. What we have to do, we have to just mix the scrub and it will do its work by your own. Nothing to worry that ki mix nahi ho raha hai, whatever is happening. You can feel while you are touching the scrub and massaging out on your face now, you can feel that the small nodules are bursting on your face. Then 8 to 16 stroke anti-clockwise on your cheek. Remember, I am doing my cheek area only, not this cheekbone area. The scrub part you have to do for 3 to 4 minutes. So it's your count. You have to be that much. You just think that how much stroke you needed or anything. So 3 to 4 minutes is enough. If you are regular on this part. So cheek part is over for scrubbing. Then the next come is cheekbone. So for our cheekbone, we'll start from our nose where the cheekbone is started and end on our temple area. So how? Again, these two. Just hold all the facial things we are doing upward. Just remember, we have to do it upwards. 8 stroke like this. Just give little pressure and do this. Eight steps. Then coming to your nose part. Nose is very easy. You can do it like this or crisscross, whatever you want. According to your nose shape, your comfortability, you can do this. Just to, because nose had more blackheads, so we have to do a little bit more pressure. See, I don't have blackheads, but whoever is blackhead, they can do where they had like this or this. And people who have blackhead, they know that how painful it is, how when to remove when we go to remove it on parlor. But here it can be, if you do regularly this scrubbing, that will be no painful and you can get rid of your blackheads and white it very easily. So against 8 to 16 stroke on this nose part. You can do like this also. If you feel comfortable, you can do like this also. So the home facial is only about trick because we are not professional. You cannot give too much pressure or anything. You just remember the strokes and the tricks. Then last, what is there? Your temple area. For your temple, forehead area, you have to start from this middle. Then with 3 fingers, then just come like this to this. Because here you can give some more pressure because this is the area where easing sign shows up first. The worry lines were what we call now, here is the line that shows first. So give some more pressure in this area. Again 6 to 18 stroke. Sorry, 8 to 16 stroke. Okay. So scrubbing part we are not going to do on our eye part, eye area, it is not required. So it's finished. Our eye scrubbing part is finished and almost you can see that my face is like all that big nodules, whatever is there scrub, it is almost all melt. So now again wipe your face. The best thing is that almost everything is mixed up on my face, so I don't have to worry too much कि इसे clean कैसा करना है या क्या करना है, eyes में जा रहा है, eyes में if we go eyes में जाए भी तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा जलन नहीं होती है, nothing too much to worry. So if it's needed, then you can take one more napkin or tissue paper to just little bit damp your face. Don't rub it, just damp it to remove the excess water or whatever it is there. Then the second step is Same again, as I told, I'm using Artistry, the brand Artistry facial kit. So the second one is Artistry creamy massage, and here the hero ingredient is avocado. So we all know that how avocado fruit is, it is too creamy, and so as this one also, it is too creamy. You can feel that it is so creamy and soft, and this much amount, it's very small amount, like a big pulse size is enough. You have to take just 6 point of this, little bit more on chicken neck part, and same stroke you have to apply it. And the the water is not needed for this, because already it is creamy and it is very much slippery and can mix up very easily. So now why massage is important? Because massage improves our blood circulation, and when blood circulation is improved under our skin cells, what will happen? The new cells, whatever is there inside our epidermis layer, or it will be very fresh and everything is there. And when new cells are fresh and the blood circulation, and when blood circulation is happen, what will happen? Oxygen, they can breathe easily. You can tell that they can breathe easily, and they bring back the glow of our skin. तभी बोलते हैं ना कि after facial मेरी skin में glow आ गया. This is the reason. Not on face, even a body, if you do massage, you can see immediate change of your skin tone. Glow will be there. It's more radiant, right? So we called it regeneration. The massage part, whatever we do in skincare, we called it to regenerate your skin. So same stroke again, 16 to 30 stroke upwards. Remember, in 4 count, try to finish your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 count of this. 16 round of this. 1, 2, 3, 4 count में 1 round finish हुआ, ऐसे 16 round. So next is this word. You can give little bit more pressure. If you are not comfortable in this part while doing massaging, you can do like this. Small 2 finger from your chin area to your nose, where the ear is started or your cheekbone is ended, on that part. आप ये घर पे घूमते घूमते भी कर सकते हो. बैठ के करने की कोई ऐसी नहीं है, कुछ मैंडेटरी नहीं है कि हम बैठ के ही करें. This product are so good that you can do it by roaming here and there also. बहुत सारे लोगों को हेडेक रहता है ना, माइग्रेन के पेन जैसे यहाँ पे कभी कभी दुखता है स्ट्रेस की वजह से. सो दिस इज वेरी गुड. आप अगर यहाँ पे भी राउंड सर्कुलर डायरेक्शन में राउंड करेंगे इन मसाज विद दिस मसाज क्रीम आल्सो विल फील रिलैक्स ऑन दैट पार्ट. So I'm almost done. It mixed very well. Now the cheek part, same like scrubbing. 8 to 16 counts in anti-clockwise, then clockwise. But while doing massage or scrubbing anything on your cheek also, na, don't pull it downward. Try to take it upwards. Like I'm doing anti-clockwise, still I'm pushing this muscle. I don't have so much muscles in there, but this massage to upwards. Not like कि ऐसे करना है या फिर इसको ऐसे नीचे करना. Try to push it upwards like this. See, even if in this direction, you just make a circle, then from here to here. So that in aging, what happen? All the skin sagginess will happen. No? So when we push it upwards, the skin will again go to its real position. The skin के जो structures होते हैं, उसे हमें फिर से push करके new अपने real position में लेके जाना है. तो अगर इसमें हम strokes में ज़्यादा गलती करेंगे या even if so फिर से sagginess फिर आने की chances रहते. तो try to remember that we have to push everything, even if here upward direction. Finish. I'm almost done. Then the cheek part. give that much pressure, whatever, which much pressure you can handle. Same for your nose. You can wipe your hand if required. Then your forehead, same, from the middle of your forehead to your temple area. Okay. So while doing massage, you can add one more thing to you, this part. No need to take any cream or anything. With this is enough. Just wipe your hand and you can do your eye part also. क्योंकि आई में बहुत जनों को स्ट्रेस रहता है. Some people think that no कि डार्क सर्कल्स रहते हैं, स्ट्रेस रहते हैं, यहाँ पे क्रूज फीट भी आते हैं. सो हमें मसाज क्रीम नहीं लेना है, जितना ही हैंड में that is enough. You can do this like on your starting from your nose in a circular direction to our eyes part. Close your eyes and do it. In one finger it is enough, right? If required, nothing is mandatory. If required, it is very good for that aging related signs or something like यहाँ पे हमें cross line आते हैं ना, age के signs आते हैं. For that it is very good. Even if eye stress रहते हैं, dulls दिखते हैं, for that also. Remember, don't do on your eyeball area. You have to see what I'm doing. I'm doing starting from here. I'm covering the area behind my eyebrows, not here. Okay. So that's done. My massage part is also done. And you can see it almost mixed. Nothing is there, no signs of oiliness or anything is there. It almost done. ये ऐसा है कि इसको आपको अगर मतलब आप चाहे तो बिना वाइप किए भी छोड़ सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट स्टेप को जा सकते हैं, जैसे मास्क हो गया या कुछ लगा सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये फेस पे कोई ये नहीं छोड़ता है आपको. Then the last part is the mask part. So here I am using Artistry का Essential से Moisture Intense Mask. So इस mask की this is the best mask because it lock the hydration of your skin. And skin hydration is something that is required for everyone, whether you are dry skin, whether you are a normal skin, or whether you have a oily skin, balancing skin, every skin. पानी तो सबको चाहिए होता है, सारी स्किन्स को. एंड दिस मास्क डिड दैट. whatever we have done, जो स्क्रब हमने जो अपने अभी we do scrubbing then massage, so whatever pampering we have done to our skin, this mask is going to lock that. It provides immediate moisture and hydration to our skin. And let me apply and you can see that how much shine you can get just in one application. And also the best thing is that if we use this mask regularly, what will happen? No, sometimes this happen that हम कितना भी चाहे, we cannot be so perfect, right? Sometimes कुछ बीमारी हो गया, and especially we ladies we faces so many things that कि हम अपने स्किन केयर में इतना रेगुलर नहीं हो सकते हैं. At that time, for some days, it will help us to keep our skin radiant, hydrated. So that कि हम मतलब अगर 2-3 दिन हम अपने स्किन केयर को स्किप करें for some reason, so यहाँ पे वो बोलते ना कैमल जैसे अपने सोल्जर्स पे पानी स्टोर करके रखता है, दिस मास्क डू द सेम थिंग्स. ये हमारे स्किन सेल्स में हाइड्रेशन और पानी को, मॉइस्चर को लॉक करके रखता है, सो दैट इन केस वी स्किप 1 or 2 days, it will provide the moisture and hydration to our skin. And again, this is the mask. It is a wonderful mask. A very little amount of required. While in other masks, what happened? The first thing they told, apply a thick mask. And here what we told, apply the thinnest part. मतलब हमें बस जितना पतला हम लगा सकते हैं लगाते हैं, क्योंकि ये मास्क की खूबसूरती ये है कि इसमें इतना मॉइस्चर एंड हाइड्रेशन दिस मास्क हैव दैट इट इज नेवर एवर गोइंग टू ड्राई ऑन योर स्किन. आप अगर इसको 2 घंटे भी रखो ये ड्राई नहीं होगा, 3 घंटे भी रखो आप ड्राई नहीं होगा, आप रात भर भी रख के सो जाओ ये ड्राई नहीं होगा. तभी मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था ना, वी कैन टॉक. हाउ मेनी टाइम वी कैन व्हाइल डूइंग दिस फेशियल वी कैन टॉक. जबकि दूसरे मास्क के साथ ये होता है कि इफ वी टॉक देन क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो थिक लगाना पड़ता है, क्रैक्स आते हैं, दैट कुड लीड्स टू अदर स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक रिंकल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सी आई एम अप्लाइंग वेरी थिन लेयर. Okay, I had a very dry skin, that's why I'm using a little bit more. People who have oily skin and normal skin, they require more, less than my amount. So just to cover up your whole area, you required.
For applying this mask, no directions is required. Normally we can apply.
Normally, just like to cover up your area, you can apply just. No timeline is there. It's your choice. आप 15 मिनट रखो, 15 to 20 minutes is recommended, and आप उससे ज़्यादा भी रख सकते हो. But क्योंकि ये mostly what happen no, on other masks we wait till the mask has to dry. But here this mask will never dry, and it is not required. Also हमें wait नहीं करना है. 15 minutes will be enough to keep to and lock the moisture of our skin. And you can see I'm talking. But no, once it little bit it will dry, you can see that no crack is coming or nothing will come in my face. So I'm done with my facial. I just have to remove this after 15 minutes. So it's okay. After that you can see my face.
Wow, amazing, Shivani. We learned so many things. What we have to use, how to use. Everything you told. Thank you so much. So guys, any questions? So you can ask. कुछ questions है you can ask.
I want to ask one question, please. अभी बैंगलोर में हमेशा वेदर बहुत ड्राई रहता है. आप कितना भी मॉइस्चराइजर लगाओ, so then you know people who get these freckles, you know, and you can't do anything to it. These तो उसके लिए कोई रेमेडी है?
That's what वही मैंने बताया ना अभी, ये मास्क ये फेशियल, that's what I'm told you कि फेशियल is required for that need. See, we are no matter how much regular we are in our skincare routine or everything, some parts are there जिसे स्पेशल केयर चाहिए, जैसे वेदर की वजह से हो गया या समथिंग. कुछ पार्ट्स ऐसे रहते हैं जहाँ पे हमें हमारा डेली स्किन केयर लैक कर जाता है. But if you are regular with this special care also, na, our skin will be healthy from inside also. So
once a week it's okay, or like अभी तो हम लोग इतना बाहर जाते नहीं है वैसे तो like
yeah, it's like once a week will be enough, but depends on your skin type. Like what I say, if you have any problem or skin, it's your it depends on your skin type. But we recommend it as we are doing it in home facial by our own, so we are not giving too much pressure or anything. So we recommend it twice a week, because our strokes are not that, even if mine also, we are not professional on like a parlor, how a parlor person will do. So we recommend it twice a week to get the best result, but once a week is also enough. Not like that कि अगर आप 2 बार नहीं करोगे तो कुछ हो जाएगा. It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I have a question here. So whatever you done it now, is that the regular basis, as in every day we have to do it? Because I never done the scrubbing part ever. So how this goes? Like every day do you follow the same thing, whatever you've done it now?
No, not every day. That's what I told the previous question, right? We recommend it twice a week, minimum 72 hours gap. If I done it today, the next session will had minimum 72 hours gap. That means twice a week. It's okay, if don't have any issues or anything, you can do in 15 days or 1 week also, but try to be regular on your special care because it needed. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, good. And the second cream, whatever you applied, right? Avocado one.
Yeah, that is a massage cream, right? This one.
But while applying the scrubber, you done the massage part. Is that required the second layer as well?
Yeah, see, this while doing the scrubbing, but scrubbing is totally different thing, right? I use this scrub to scrub my skins. What scrub? Let me clarify you. What scrub did? Scrub will remove the dead cells layer from our inside skin. Like while we do any gel cleanser or face wash, no, जो ऊपर से रहता है दिखता है वो clean हो जाता है. But this scrub I did to remove the dead cells, whatever pollutions that are inside our pores. You know, our skin has lots of pores. उसके अंदर भी बहुत गंदगी रहती है, and that is the reason वो dullness, वो जितना भी आप स्किन केयर यूज करो, somebody told ना मॉइस्चराइजर यूज करने के बाद भी ग्लो नहीं आता है. That is the reason. So that's why we require this scrub. It is like that. You can take an example of हम डेली झाड़ू पोछा तो घर का करते हैं, बट 15 दिन में एक बार हम फिर से वैक्यूम क्लीन भी मोस्टली करते हैं, सारे सामान निकाल के पोछा करते हैं. सेम थिंग, if our home need that type of thing, so our skin is a living organ, it needs more of that. So for that cleaning we need this one, this scrubbing part, and massage it something to, once this dead cells are removed by the scrub, the new cells are now on the way to come to our front skin. Like it is a process. This is a different thing, it is a process. Dead cells remove honge, new cells will come and take part of their dead cells. That gives our skin the glow and everything. When we do massage, new cells में blood circulation happen होता है, and our new cells breathe करते हैं properly. And what that means, it gives life to other new cells. Like जैसे पानी में ना, एक पेड़ को जब हम पानी देते हैं तो उसकी roots में जो चीज होता है, same thing massage will do. And when the cells are like what, they can breathe, they are fresh, automatically it will be visible on your face, right? The glow, mainly what happened that this massage will help you to give your skin a even skin tone. जो कि डेड सेल्स की वजह से या ये की वजह से लैक ऑफ दैट थिंग्स इट हैपेंस, तो बहुत पैची स्किन रहता है, कहीं पे अच्छा दिखता है, कहीं पे ये नहीं दिखता है. So if you are regular to the massage, it will immediately bring back the even skin of the skin tone of your skin. So this is two different things.
Yeah. Got it.
So 3 steps you have to follow. But not that you will do one and then you skip this one. It is not like that. 3 steps are there.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am. I do massage with the almond oil. Is it beneficial?
As I told every day, as I told that every day our skin requires some special things, special treatment, right? So I am not against of that. I'm not saying that it is bad, but almond oil also requires some technology to get inside our skin. So because our skin is very soft, by applying anything on our face, it cannot just penetrate to our skin. So that's what I told, this product are the best combination of natures and technology. See, avocado is there, but we just applying avocado on our face, it will not go to do this work, whatever it requires. So a little bit technology is required to just go through our skin, to penetrate our skin and do the deep thing. So that's all.
Done, guys?
Yeah, one thing I can show you now, guys. Just see my face, it mixing. You see that the mask is also mixing. Previously it was white, but it is mixing, and I'm talking, nothing is happening, no cracks, nothing. It's almost already mixed on my face.
Questions over, guys?
Can you suggest any homemade? Hello. Yes. Can you suggest any homemade things for daily basis, like what we say, for the daily, for face things, base and floor, something like that we apply, no? So like that, anything for daily for removing the dead skin.
See, this is the same question what I answered previously, right? So still, if you have any doubt, you can just get back to the person who's invited you, may help you on this part, because same question like almond oil and base, it's like same thing. Whatever I answered is same. So, okay, so as you all can see that it's already mixed, I'm going to remove it. Give me some minute. You can remove it by the sponge, or you can just go and wash it out. बहुत बड़ी मतलब बहुत ये की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि ये ऑलमोस्ट मिक्स हो जाता है स्किन में. And then, yeah, I'm done. You can just see now.
Your skin is looking very fresh and nice. I wish
Yeah.
मैं कर
Yes.
सकती.
You can see it's glowing.
Yes, it's actually really
The
glowing.
miracle. In one
Yeah.
use you can see the difference on your face. Like I just use it now in front of you all guys, and you can see the difference of that. One more thing, once you are done with your facial, just go for a moisturizer immediately, because after facial what happened now, our face pores are opened. As I told that when we do scrubbing, the main work of the scrubbing is to get inside the pores and to clean it. So now our pores are open, so we need a moisturizer or a serum or anything, so that the pores will be resized. So otherwise, again, when we are exposed to the things in the pores are pollution or something, and the pores are like open, so it is very new cells, and the new cells are like exposed to anything, and we don't take a protection on that part. It will be go to damage. So I am using again one more product from Artistry, that is Artistry Vitamin C. So, because vitamin C is the best thing, it is like you all know that अभी COVID की वजह से भी vitamin चाहिए immunity के लिए, and this is the immunity for my skin. This gives me everything. It gives me everything like protection, reparation, rejuvenation, everything. I prefer this one, and I recommended my client to this one. This is my first step to my even my daily care, skin care, after facial, anything. So I'm going to apply this. You can see the change, more glow now. No need to mix, as it is a serum, just dab it. So I'm all ready now to go out. And after that, if you require, you can go for a serum or anything. So I'm all ready now. So that's all. Okay. Yeah, I'm also good, looking good now.
You are really glowing, Shivani.
Thank you.
It's amazing. So अब इसके बाद no need to do any makeup, right? It's already glowing.
Yeah, that's what I told. Yeah, that's what I told her. I'm all ready to go out now.
Shivani, take a
Yes.
selfie. Take a selfie.
Yeah,
Time to drop down.
so that's all. And even if you require any makeup, I just go for this foundation. It is also from Artistry. This one makeup is enough for me to go for a casual party or anything, because this had also everything. Sunscreen भी है, dermatologist tested भी है, and non comedogenic है, जो कि mostly makeup product में नहीं होता है. that is the reason it gives the freshness to my skin and everything. It does not clogs the pores, so there is no chances कि अगर मैं makeup use करूँ 24 hours भी मैं इसको लगा के रखूँ तो anything happen to my skin or anything. You can see Sunanda's skin. She had just used it. Sunanda, दिखा दो.
Yes, I also use that foundation only, so you can see. Because I have very sensitive skin, right? And sometimes what happen now, and sensitive skin, the pimples is the biggest problem for them. So you have to choose that product that is non-comedogenic. Because what happened, the pimples problem, if you use any other products, any makeup products, that will increase your pimples. So I have also pimples problem. So I started using this only. And after that, that pimple is not increasing. But what happened before any other foundation I start using with pimples, it's increasing. So that's why this is good for this foundation. You can apply anytime and every day, even you can apply it. So mostly what happened, I apply every day because this is very good, no side effects. Sometimes what happened, we apply only occasionally, right? Only occasionally we apply foundation, but this is the very good skincare and everything. So I applied every day. So you can apply also every day. So there is no harm to apply this foundation. So you can apply every day and this will keep you fresh whole day. Because we need, right? At home also, we have to look good, right? So I apply daily because we have to look beautiful every time. At home only also. So you can, so easily you can apply this foundation.
Foundation, no, this one. Then there is no need of your mobile filter or anything to take that we can get.
And after that, no need to apply anything. Only foundation, that's enough. And after that, you can go out with little makeup, light lipstick and kajal, whatever you want to do. And after that, you can go out. So no need to 2-3 layers you have to apply. Sometimes I saw people apply 2-3 layers on their skin. So after this, using this foundation, you don't have to apply anything. So it's very good thing.
I told you, all these products are their premium brand. They are so specially designed that it may be मेरा dry skin है, so I have to go for one. No choosing. It's for everyone. They're unisex. Everybody can use. Any failure or any chances that any side effect will happen or anything will happen. So that's all. And one more thing we have. तो क्या face की बात है और sometimes our body also requires something, right? Body में hand में tan हो गया, legs गंदे दिखते हैं, so that's also not able to go for our manicure and pedicure as to touching. So we have one more thing, that is one more facial kit, D10 pad, D10 kit. You can use this also. It is also from one more of our brand Attitude. So especially D10ing pad is there. You can use for your manicure and pedicure also. Because people are now smart. Only face is not enough, right? For hand, legs also we require. Everything is beautiful. We require everything beautiful. So you can just take for this also. But more details you can check with the people who had invited you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Since आप इतने अच्छे suggest कर रही हैं products, एक lip care भी बता सकते हैं because market में इतने lip balms हैं. I mean, you don't know what to choose. And जैसे winters आती हैं, especially your sides start, becoming dark. तो
So
उसके लिए कोई lip balm?
See, lip balm I don't have. We don't recommend any lip balm. We don't have the brand we suggested. We don't have from that. But yes, if you go for any lip color, then choose a lip color like.
Shivani, can you come closer? We are losing your voice.
1 second. Yeah. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Shivani.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
fine.
So that's what I'm told. While choosing your lip colors, you can choose a lip color of without lead. Because जब lead होता है, that makes your lips more chappy and all that things, black patches आते हैं. So the same brand Attitude, they had that lip color without lead. You can check with the person who has invited you. He will guide you on that part.
Yeah, Shivani, we also face this issue, but I would like to answer you,
Yeah.
Lavina.
Yeah.
If you use really good quality lipsticks, normal ones, you wouldn't find the need actually. That is what I do.
मतलब daily,
Yeah.
daily what we do, we put moisturizer all over our face. But when it comes to
Yeah.
under and lip, then there is always a different product in the market. that, for
Yeah,
lips,
right.
use those kind of oils, So in that,
Mm-hmm.
what would you suggest?
Yeah, that is what I'm telling you, Lavina. Because see, if you see the kind of lipsticks that we use, generally all the good quality ones will have essential oils in them to keep your lips soft and smooth. This is a technique I use for myself. I'm outside right now, so, not a good surrounding to switch on my video. Otherwise, you can have a look at our pics. None of you will be able to guess our age, that I can assure you. And all right.
Okay.
And this is what I do for myself. The lipsticks you try, it will be
All
fine.
right.
And second thing, it's not only about externally,
Yes.
internally, are you well hydrated?
Yes.
Do you have enough EFAs, essential fatty acid, in your diet?
Yeah, overall.
These two things work better actually. Yes.
Yes.
All
Thank you
right.
so much.
Yeah. Welcome, Lavina. Guys, anybody else? Karwa Chauth is round the corner, so you have the good opportunity to catch Shivani. She's the expert in, looking people beautiful.
I think it's done.
Otherwise, we are on time, Sunanda, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are bang on time, guys, from our side. Anybody, any question? Quick 2 minutes, we can take it.
Then we can do.
And guys, one more thing, I would like to give a disclaimer from our side. Me, Sunanda, and Shivani, we work together, and
Can
we
you
always
just give me the brand name and this thing? I just need a pic of that.
Sure, Pooja. Whoever invited you here, no, they will help you with that. Call them after the session, all right? We have many brands, Pooja. So which one is suitable for you? They will let you know after knowing your skin issues, okay? Not everything suits everybody. All right?
Recommended everything to everyone, so that's the reason.
Yeah. So they will help you with that, okay? So guys, one disclaimer I would always say, we never suggest any of our clients to buy something just like that from online and apply. We never do that. If you really want results, a glowing skin, please do not buy anything just online and keep trying. Again, didn't work, money wastage, again one more new product. We keep on damaging our skin like that. आप ज्यादा कुछ ट्राई करोगे तो वो स्किन को डैमेज करता है, तो बेटर गेट चेक विथ सुनंदा और शिवानी और माई सेल्फ श्रुति और रजिता. You can just check with them. They will suggest you, right? Because being a woman, we understand how important it is to have a good skin. Yeah, we kept this session only for women so that we can talk openly, right, Sunanda?
Of course, Shruti, absolutely.
Yeah, so that they can ask anything.
Because the skin is very, I think we have to, matlab, skin is very sensitive thing. So we can't just apply anything without knowing anything about that, right? So
And
we have,
Sunanda is a good example because she had really make her skin pimple free.
yes, I
She
told
has
you.
done this miracle.
Because I also facing so many, I also tried so many products and I'm getting more and more pimples after that. So, and after using, after these things, I'm really getting very good results. You can see now no pimples, no scars, nothing is there.
Yeah, I had spotlighted you also, Sunanda, so that everybody can see your skin now.
I have few, yes, Shruti, we can share some.
Yes, please go ahead, Sunanda. I was about
Yes.
coming in. Yeah,
Let's
you can share your screen now, please.
Just give me 1 minute. I'm saving.
Till now, you guys saw we are doing this, right? Now you will see how much effect it has. We are showcasing some pictures of before and after so that you can see the difference, okay?
Screen share. Yeah. It's visible? दिख रहा है?
Yes, Sunanda, I can see it, Sunanda.
Yes.
This
मेरे को
is,
दिख रहा है.
Yes, Sunanda.
Yeah.
this is after facial and a light makeup with this foundation and a lip color.
Wow. Beautiful, Shivani. Great job, yaar.
Very nice. Yeah. So see.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
This is the product I told now, vitamin C. C has used this, and you can see the result on only 6 days. Yeah.
Shivani, can you just explain this photo a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she is almost in her 50s, more than 50s, and she had so many problems. As you can see that she has pigmentation, dark circles like under eye darks, mostly easing signs on that cheek area, also little bit wrinkles and crow's feet are also there. And I suggested her vitamin C. As I told that vitamin C is like everything. It has all the property of it. Anti-aging se leke because it is an antioxidant, so it will protect, repair, and everything, one in all, everything, and it gives us very quick result. That is the things. And in today's time, no, mostly when aging signs are there, so we are not able to wait. हम wait नहीं करना चाहते हैं because the longer the problem, उतने solution result भी उतने late ही मिलेंगे. So that I suggested her vitamin C, and you can see that how much she got result. Like 3rd November से use किया उन्होंने, 9th November को result देखिए. I'm not saying that कि after 50 your problem will totally vanish. Again, you will get the skin like whatever you have in 20s or 25. But yes, morely you can see your face happily. That's what happens. The dark circles are also reduced. The pigmentation is still there because pigmentation is something that is so tough to fight back, especially in this age. But still, it is very light, and without even zooming it, you cannot see it. The sagginess on the lip area, the fine lines, it is already removed. Now, I'm not claiming that 100% result you will get like all your signs. Yes, you will get the 100% result if the more earlier you will start. But if you are it is never too late. As we told that whenever you start, you will just definitely get some good result with these products. So that's all. Same problem C also had. You can see after vitamin C facial, C had one of my clients also uses some other product. You can see the skin difference on her skin, the eye puffiness and everything. You can see that, especially the eyes area, the crow's feet, that is removed. C is also in vitamin C from customers. So you can see if in this is they have, as I told, our product are unisex. You can see in this pictures, this uncle had here, they was clean. His skin was already, मतलब pigmentation से पूरा ये था, not pigmentation, we called it like a hyperpigmentation, but you can see that how much it is reduced, more firm, no open pores and everything, that to be in 60s.
And guys, you can see the date as well. It's not a magic ki 1 month we apply, something will happen.
Yes.
We have treated for quite long, you can see the date also. Do we have more, Sunanda? Okay, that means we are done.
Yeah, the reason why I'm sharing this is because, so if we are regular on our skincare things, so we are not going to face these problems in our future. So for that, we have to not only to be regular with our daily skincare, we also have to regular with our special skincare also, because अंदर से भी cleanup उतना ही जरूरी है जितना कि बाहर से चाहिए. So अगर ये आएगा तो हमें, yes, aging will come, some signs will also come. It's not a miracle, it's God gifted आएंगे, but we will age gracefully. So that's what I'm trying to say. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shivani. It was awesome, really. I also learned so many strokes. So guys, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, so get back to the person who has invited you. And with this, we have done. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Shivani.
Thank you for the good section.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.